are at Baba Mandir right now.
Captain Harbhajan Singh was an Indian Army soldier who is known as the hero of Nathula by the soldiers of Indian Army. His believers referred to him as Baba. It is believed that his spirit protects every soldier in the high altitude terrain of Himalayas. He was martyred in 1968 near the Nathula. He was a victim in the Battle of Nathula at the 14,500 feet during the 1965 Sino-Indian War. Every year on Ravan September, a jeep departs with his personal belongings to the nearest railway station from where it is sent to Baba's village. While empty berths of any trains of Indian Railways are invariably allocated to any waitlisted passengers or on a first come first served basis, a special reservation for the Baba is made. Every year, a seat is left empty for the journey to his hometown, and 3 soldiers accompany the Baba to his home.
Right now we are going to that shrine. There is a Shiva shrine there and a beautiful waterfall beside it. We'll get a closer look when we go near. This is the Shiva shrine near the Baba Mandir. As you can see, people are wearing slippers and going above without respecting. I'm not going up because, but still people are going up. But I'll be taking the video from here only. So this is the another route which will go to the original Baba Mandir, but it is now blocked for us because we need to get special permit for that. But it is very difficult to get that. We tried to get permit for that, but we didn't get. So this is a maximum point where we could travel. So if you go that way, that will go to the original Baba Mandir. That is another 4 to 5 kilometers, I guess. You can see many vehicles parked here than in Nathula Pass because these people did, not everyone, but most of the people didn't get permits for the Nathula Pass. There will be some limited amount of permits. So whoever doesn't get permit, they'll come here. They will come to this Baba Mandir and the Chengu Lake, and they'll go back. So this place will be very crowded. Another thing I would like to mention is there is a lot of checkposts, army barracks when we are traveling to this place. So you should be careful at that point of time because you don't have to film or shoot those places.
our cameraman जी एन आदित्य
के साथ So this is the top of the ropeway. So once we come in the cable car, we have to get down here and we can drink some tea or coffee and have a biscuit. Then again they will exchange the cable car and again we will go down. This is the view from the top of the ropeway. You can't see much because of the fog, but if it's clear I think you will get some pretty good views. Here you can get coffee or biscuit and you can further climb up and you can get these views. Right now it's fully covered with fog, so we can't get views, but once the fog is cleared there will be some amazing views of this place. We walked from there till here. There is the road near the lake, but I don't think it will be visible in camera with the fog. What I like about this is there are so many colors. It's not just green. There is yellow, there is green, there is red, and there is some kind of orange. These kind of varieties. It looks good. It looks very colorful. Fog is clearing up a bit. If you stay for longer, I think the fog will clear, but we have to get down. You have to be careful here when you are climbing, even here and even here in the Nathula Pass, because you may twist your ankle. So you have to be very careful here. Watch your steps and go. There goes the cable car. So you can go till there, and that will be the exact middle of the lake, but we won't be going there because it's too cold. We'll be going down the route back to Gangtok. So if you go that way, it will go to the Nathula Pass. We have stopped at the place where we had stopped earlier, that is the mini China market, because we'll eat some food because we haven't had lunch. So our next plan is to, after eating here, we'll go to the hotel and we'll relax. But this has been a wonderful day. We enjoyed a lot. Weather was good. It didn't rain, and fog came later, but it didn't block much of the views. So right now we'll head back to Gangtok. And regarding the cost, the cable car costed 350 rupees per person. View was good, especially when we were coming down. We could see this zigzag or this neck and ladder kind of road, which was very nice. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I'll stop the video at this wonderful view. So tomorrow our plan is local sightseeing of Gangtok, and day after tomorrow we'll be going to Lachain. So let me end this video with this amazing view.